Now this is the next lecture about creation of the thread using a class. This is step 1. Also import the threading like by using this command. In step 2, define the class. That class in this situation, my class name is myThread, which like expression as a thread. Step 3, that define the function, like define methods run by self, which is a built-in function for the class. And I will tell you that in the class and object section, that's what is the self and run methods. The step 4 is define a logic for the function which is going to be threaded. And step 5, now create an instance for our class. Instance, it means that the initialization of the variables, then starting the invoking also like this. Now create multiple threading here, like put variable 1 dot start and up to. In this lecture, we will create a thread using a main class and using a subclass. Okay, put a class here. That this is a class, and it had the main class like main thread. Like main thread is our main class, and within this class is extended into a subclass which is as known as like a thread. And put a color here. Then define a run methods. Define a run methods which is under subclass thread. Define run, then self, and now enter a logic here, like if we want to display a even number between 0 and 50, that's put a logic here, that by using while loop, that while is less or equal to the 50, put a colon here, then first print I, then put increment in I, put increment in I of 2. Okay, now let's create an instant for object class, like that t is equal to my thread, like my thread, and start our thread like t dot start. Okay, the one thing you should keep in your mind, that you are using a run in here and but not run in here, and you should put a start in here. This run is for a subclass for a thread. When we're using the subclass, then we use define our run methods to invoke our logics. Okay, that right click here and run our program. And as you can see that the system display a even number between 0 and 50 by using a thread, and by using a main class which is a myThread, and a subclass which is a thread. In the next tutorial, we create a same example by using a main class and a not a subclass. Do the end term like this. Okay, do a practical example on a Python.